seller's market, it's a buyer's market, it's a buyer and seller's market. I mean, seriously, what does all of that jargon mean? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team with Keller Williams, and today we're going to talk about what exactly is a buyer market or a seller market, and most importantly, how does it impact you? So next time you hear those terms thrown around, here's what needs to come to mind. For a buyer's market, that means there's lots of for sale signs around town and homes being listed in MLS, the multiple listing system. There are homes selling below list price, and you may even see several price drops along the way. The inventory, which the number of homes that are currently for sale, is going to increase, and the days on market that they are for sale will also increase. You may see a population growth trending downward. The sellers may start to offer closing costs or allowances for new flooring or appliances, and the sellers regularly are taking their home off the market, potentially after a few weeks, and then relisting it in an effort to make it appear fresh. Those are some of the keys that you may start to see as we head into a buyer's market. Now, in a seller's market, you're going to start to see fewer for sale signs around town and fewer homes listed in the multiple listing service. You will also hear that some homes heard word of mouth before they even were listed for sale in the multiple listing service. You'll see lower inventory, which means less homes for sale, and they're going to be for sale for a shorter amount of time. In fact, some houses you'll see multiple contracts and prices paid over the list price. This option can also lead to possible job growth in an area or more people transferring into the city, which causes the urgency for more homes needed and higher prices being paid. Now in Kansas City right now, all signs point to it being a seller's market because there is a low inventory at the number of houses that are currently for sale in comparison to the number of buyers who are looking to purchase their home. So here's the good news. Whether you need to buy or sell in a buyer or seller's market, we are here to help. So let's chat about your real estate goals. Today's actions equal achieving tomorrow's goals. Reach out today. We look forward to talking with you.